Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to log in to N26 using the fast login feature for mobile banking. Follow these simple instructions to access your account quickly and securely. Step 1. Download the N26 app. If you haven't done so already, download the N26 mobile banking app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Ensure that you have the latest version of the app for optimal performance. Step 2. Open the app. Once the app is installed, locate and tap on the N26 icon on your device to open it. Step 3. Select Login. On the welcome screen, you will see an option that says Login. Tap this button to proceed to the login page. Step 4. Enter your credentials. You will be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your N26 account. Fill in the required fields carefully. Step 5. Enable fast login, if applicable. If you want to use the fast login feature, make sure you have it enabled. You can usually find this option in the app settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. This feature may involve biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or facial recognition. Step 6. Use fast login. When you return to the login screen, instead of entering your credentials, you will now have an option for fast login. Tap on this option. If you set up biometric authentication, the app will verify your identity through your fingerprint or face scan. Step 7. Explore your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard where you can manage your finances, view transactions, and perform other banking activities. Remember to log out after each session, especially if you are using a shared device, to keep your account secure. Thank you for following our guide on how to log in to N26. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.